I felt like we had a connection. So I knew what to communicate back to my management, and it felt like you instantly knew what my troubles were and what I needed to solve those troubles. I've launched a couple of websites, and I've worked with different web agencies, and I always go into it with a certain amount of skepticism and fear. I feel like you had gotten this down to a place where we knew exactly what we wanted and what needed to be built very, very quickly, so that the features were not just some vague concept, but I instantly knew, okay, this is what we're getting and this is what we're building. I felt like seeing the first couple of deadlines work out also just made me completely aware that, okay, you guys know what you're doing. You guys know actually how to meet the deadlines and know what time every task will take. The whole execution phase was just so smooth. I mean, it's always like at the execution phase, everything just goes tits up and nothing really works. And I feel like maybe the execution stage was very, very easy because the concept and design stage were very in depth. So we had the discussions we needed to have. We had tried to maybe look at some other venues, looking at stuff like we didn't need, but hey, maybe. So that we had a very, very defined project at the execution phase. So I think maybe the execution phase shined so much because there was built a foundation very, very early, and that was put in the work. So the product we've gotten to much better reflects both the company's values and the product we have. So we preach this simplicity in our products and zero complexity. Actually, having a website that shows this as well, I feel like that reflects the entire process too. It just screams simplicity and screams ease of use. I can see from our tracking and from the amount of leads we're getting, from the traffic we're getting, and how they actually act on the website, it's much, much easier for our clients to work around the site. For the past week, we've had the website for a week now, right? And for that week, we've had a like 70 to 100% increase in lead intake. And we're still increasing in lead amounts. And we're in July, we're in mid-July. We shouldn't see a lead increase at this point. So this is just, I mean, an incredible, an incredible end to a web development journey. I mean, I've already I've preached the name of Further Digital to everybody who wanted to listen already, but definitely just an easy no-brainer. If you need a new website, if you need any sort of complex process for your website as well, just, I mean, give him a call.